Introduction. The new frontier of digital creation. The modern business environment is defined by constant transformation. Organizations across industries are striving to innovate faster, deliver better customer experiences, and remain competitive in an age where agility defines success. However, traditional software development, while powerful and precise, often slows down innovation due to its reliance on scarce, highly skilled developers and lengthy development cycles. This creates a widening gap between business needs and IT capacity. To bridge that gap, a new paradigm has emerged: low-code and no-code, LCNC, platforms. These platforms enable anyone, from developers to business professionals and project managers, to design, automate, and deploy applications visually, without needing deep programming knowledge. They represent the democratization of software creation and the redefinition of how digital solutions are built and managed within project ecosystems. 1. What are low-code and no-code platforms? Low-code and no-code platforms are visual development environments that empower users to build software through graphical interfaces, reusable templates, and logic-based automation instead of manually writing code. They allow the creation of apps, dashboards, and workflows using drag-and-drop features and pre-built integrations, drastically reducing time and cost. Low-code platforms are designed for both developers and technically proficient business users. While most development is visual, users can still insert custom code for advanced scenarios. This flexibility enables organizations to rapidly build scalable enterprise systems with complex logic and integration needs. Examples: Microsoft Power Apps, Mendix, OutSystems, Appian, Salesforce Lightning, Zoho Creator. No-code platforms, by contrast, completely eliminate programming. They empower business and project users to automate workflows, build dashboards, and design apps solely through configuration and visual tools. This makes them ideal for non-technical users, often referred to as citizen developers or citizen project managers. Examples: Airtable, Notion, Bubble, Glide, Webflow, ClickUp, Smartsheet. Whether low-code or no-code, both share a unified purpose: to eliminate barriers between ideas and execution, enabling faster, smarter, and more inclusive innovation. 2. Core principles behind LCNC platforms. The power and appeal of LCNC tools rest on 5 foundational principles that make them efficient, accessible, and transformative. A. Visual development. Users design applications and workflows using drag-and-drop tools and visual logic blocks instead of writing traditional code. This intuitive process accelerates creation, enhances understanding, and fosters direct collaboration between IT teams and business stakeholders. B. Reusable components. LCNC platforms rely on libraries of reusable elements, such as pre-designed UI blocks, automation triggers, APIs, and data models, that can be assembled like digital Lego pieces. These reusable assets enable consistent design and rapid replication across projects. Circa declarative logic. Instead of specifying how something should happen, users declare what should happen. For instance, setting a rule like, if project status equals completed, send a summary email to the sponsor. The platform handles the workflow automatically. D. Integration-ready design. Most LCNC systems integrate seamlessly with existing tools such as ERP, CRM, HRM, or PM software. This interoperability allows businesses to unify fragmented systems, automate data flow, and maintain a single source of truth across departments. E. Cloud-native deployment. Modern LCNC platforms operate in the cloud, providing scalability, global access, and security. Cloud deployment ensures that apps can be accessed anywhere, facilitating collaboration in hybrid and remote work environments while reducing infrastructure costs. 3. LCNC in project management. A strategic enabler in project management, LCNC platforms are not just development shortcuts. They are strategic accelerators of agility, efficiency, and empowerment. Project managers and PMOs, project management offices, can use LCNC tools to automate reporting, streamline approval processes, and centralize project data. Instead of waiting weeks for IT departments to build custom dashboards, project teams can design them independently. Rapid prototyping. Teams can create, test, and deploy new processes in hours, enabling agile adaptation. Custom workflows. Each project or program can define unique templates, governance rules, and dashboards. Data consolidation. LCNC apps can integrate information from Jira, Trello, or Excel into unified project overviews. Automation. Repetitive administrative tasks, like status updates, alerts, and reminders, can be automated. Real-time transparency. Managers can track milestones, risks, and KPIs instantly through dynamic dashboards. In essence, LCNC platforms empower project teams to evolve from being data consumers to becoming digital solution builders, a vital capability in the era of hybrid and adaptive project management. 4. Architectural and functional layers. LCNC platforms are designed with modular and layered architectures that make them powerful yet flexible. User interface layer provides visual editors and dashboards for creating applications through drag and drop functionality. Logic layer contains workflow engines and rule-based automation for defining process logic and actions. Integration layer ensures connectivity with external systems through APIs, webhooks, and third-party connectors. Data layer manages storage, retrieval, and manipulation of project and business data across applications. Security and governance layer maintains compliance, user roles, access permissions, and audit trails. AI and automation layer, the emerging intelligence tier, where machine learning models analyze patterns, recommend automations, and predict risks. This layered ecosystem ensures agility, security, and scalability across the organization's digital portfolio. 5. Strategic benefits for modern organizations. LCNC adoption offers a multitude of advantages that align perfectly with project management objectives. Speed and agility. Solutions that once required months of development can now be built in days. Project teams gain the ability to respond instantly to business or regulatory changes. Accessibility. Empowering non-technical users turns every employee into a contributor to innovation. Citizen project managers can design solutions aligned with their operational realities. Cost efficiency. By reducing reliance on large development teams and third-party vendors, organizations save time and resources while improving delivery timelines. Scalability and consistency. Applications can evolve seamlessly across projects, ensuring consistency in data management, design language, and governance practices. Innovation culture. LCNC promotes a culture of experimentation. Teams can safely prototype, test, and refine processes without disrupting live systems, encouraging creativity and continuous improvement. 6. Limitations and risks. Despite its transformative potential, LCNC adoption must be managed carefully. Governance risks. Without proper oversight, uncontrolled application creation may lead to shadow IT and data silos. Customization limits. Highly complex enterprise systems might still require traditional code for advanced integrations. Integration complexity. Connecting legacy systems can require specialized configuration or middleware. Security and compliance. Applications must adhere to corporate and legal data standards. Performance ceiling. As solutions grow in scale or complexity, they might need migration to more robust coded platforms. Successful organizations balance empowerment with control through structured LCNC governance frameworks, role-based access, and template libraries managed by PMOs and IT departments. 7. The AI-augmented future of LCNC. The integration of artificial intelligence into LCNC systems represents the next frontier in digital and project management evolution. Generative AI copilots can now interpret natural language commands like create a risk escalation workflow for delayed milestones, and automatically generate applications or automations. AI-enabled LCNC platforms can analyze project data and forecast delivery risks, suggest process improvements based on historical performance, generate real-time dashboards and reports, automate communication between teams and stakeholders. This fusion of LCNC and AI paves the way for autonomous PMOs, where decision-making becomes predictive, proactive, and data-driven. 8. Cultural and strategic transformation. The rise of LCNC marks a broader shift in organizational dynamics, from centralized control to distributed empowerment. Business teams, functional units, and project offices now have the autonomy to innovate independently while IT becomes a strategic advisor and system architect. This model promotes collaboration, transparency, and faster problem-solving. It transforms project management into a continuous innovation function rather than a reactive reporting mechanism. In short, LCNC doesn't replace IT, it redefines its purpose. Conclusion. The new language of project management, low-code and no-code platforms are changing how organizations think about software, projects, and innovation. They enable the rapid translation of ideas into action, the automation of complex workflows, and the empowerment of every project manager to become a digital innovator. In project management, these platforms blur the boundary between technology and execution, turning the PMO into the strategic nerve center of transformation. Organizations that embrace LCNC will not only deliver projects faster but will evolve faster, creating a culture where every project becomes a digital experiment and every employee a catalyst for innovation.